Hello, everyone, and welcome to MSE 602, Entrepreneurship and Innovation for Engineering Professionals. My name is Gus Elias. My background is safety, quality, industrial safety, and you will see quite a bit of information on my CSUN website. What is this course, MSE 602? The minute we talked about innovation is dealing about management of innovation. It talks about entrepreneurship. So we will talk about the personal traits of being an entrepreneur. And we're going to be talking also about the approach, the strategic approach of engineering professionals when it comes to the management of innovation. We will not be talking about invention, although innovation has elements of invention in it. We will not be talking about invention in this course, but we will be talking and concentrating on innovation. There are many tracks in this course here that go concurrently, simultaneously, will demand your concentrated effort and time. I must contend to you that the course on campus will start within 16, 17 weeks, over 3 months, and it is demanding on campus. So how about when it starts in 6 weeks? Imagine how demanding that is. So I'm not shortening the material, rather it's the same material, but delivered to you in 6 weeks, which is heavy. By all means, it is heavy. However, it is doable. It is done in a sequential way. If we do it timely, without procrastination, then everything will sail smoothly. This course, we utilize teaching it online via Canvas platform. Everything is listed over there, the due dates, the tasks, the assignments. It has discussion posts that students will contribute to it on Canvas on a weekly basis. They are graded. We do have a project which you will end up writing and composing a very thorough and comprehensive business plan for. It's an innovative idea that supposedly will be thought of, will be brainstormed amongst group members for it to become to fruition. And then we do have a book that talks about the strategic approach in managing innovation. So the first book is this one here, written by White and Brutton. Excellent, superbly composed book, very, very well done and user-friendly in reading it and in comprehending the material. You will read the entire book throughout the 6 weeks. The second book is this book here by Rhonda Abrams. Also, one of the best books in the industry, teaches you how to construct, compose, write a very thorough and comprehensive business plan regarding an idea takeoff from the conceptual point of view till the fruition phases. This course is demanding in a way, yet enjoyable. You would learn a lot of stuff, a lot of items in it, a lot of academic approaches that enlighten and gives a shape and a form to many management principles that you may be aware of, but this one has a certain format that we will deal with. The course, basically, again, we do have discussion posts on Canvas that you will contribute many topics relating to management, to engineering, to the labor and workforce, to contemporary issues in engineering and management that you will read articles, you will comment accordingly. And then we have the reading, the books, and then we have the business plan you will construct. And also we do have weekly lectures, let's say from 6 in the evening till about 8:30 in the evening. In those lectures, we touch upon a lot of items. We cannot cover each and everything. So this course will demand from you that you read and exert the time necessary to complete and understand the course material. 602 will teach you a lot of steps, a lot of procedures on how to approach innovation and how to approach the techniques needed for innovative ideas to succeed, flourish, compete, and grow, and have a good share in the marketplace. This is basically what MSE 602, a good course to take, a challenging course, a fun course, intriguing course, very educational, and I look forward to working with you throughout the very condensed semester, 6 weeks again. Not easy, but doable. We will sail through it successfully together. I want to wish you good luck. I want to wish you the best of luck in your entire academic journey. All the best. See you soon.